Good morning, my dear children. How are you feeling today? I hope you are safe and fine. Today, we are going to learn about birds. Children, when you look up in the sky, what do you see? Yes, you see beautiful, colorful birds flying in the sky. They look amazingly beautiful. But don't you think that like you and I, even birds need shelter to live? Of course, they need shelter. So in today's session, we are going to learn how different kind of birds make different nests to live. So let's get started. Birds and their homes. Most birds fly in the sky. They have different features which help them to fly. Boat-shaped body. Body covered with feathers. Wings and tails. Hollow bones in the body. Why do birds build nests? To lay their eggs in and keep them safe, to incubate their eggs, to raise their chicks, for protection from predators, for protection from weather. Where do birds build nests? On the ground, in bushes and trees, in holes in trees, in reeds by rivers, ponds and lakes, in tunnels in river banks, on the cliff ledges, on buildings, on ledges, under the eaves of roofs and chimneys. How do birds build their nest? Birds use their bodies and their brains to build nest. Birds can use their beaks and feet to carry materials. Birds can use their beaks and feet to build their nest. Birds can shape their nest by rocking and turning around in their nest. Birds build their nest better and quicker with practice. Different type of birds make different type of nest to keep their young one safe. Bulbul. Bulbul are short-necked bird. Their tails are long and the wings are short and rounded. Bulbul nest. They build an open cup-shaped nest. Nest is built with rootlets, bark and leaves lined with short fibers. It is placed on low tree. Partridge. Partridge is a medium-shaped bird. They are brown, grey and white in color. They have short legs and short beak. Partridge bird nest. They use dried grass and leaves to build a nest, which is hollow inside. The nest is made in bushes or tall grass to keep it safe from enemies. Weaver bird. They are short with strong conical beaks. These birds get their names because of the complex interwoven nest that they build. Weaver bird nest. They use dry twigs, grass and fine pieces of straw, and this nest hangs from the branch. The birds enter through a tunnel-like opening at the end of the nest. Tailor bird. Tailor birds have short, rounded wings, short tails and strong legs. It has sharp, strong and pointed beak. Tailor bird nest. These birds stitch large leaves together with bits of straw and dry twigs. It uses its sharp beak as a needle to stitch. The nest is lined with straw, wool, cotton to keep it warm. Woodpecker. It has long, sharp, strong, sturdy beak. It has red triangular crest on its head, which protect its skull while pecking. Strong feet and claws help it to perch vertically against the tree. Woodpecker's nest. It makes nest in the hollow of a tree. It keeps pounding the tree trunk with its hard and pointed beak to make its nest. Penguin. It cannot fly Their wings are modified into flipper which help it to swim. They have elongated body with short neck and tail. Its feet are webbed. It has long and thin beak. Penguin nest. Since penguins cannot fly, they make their nest on ground. They use pebbles to make their nest. Vulture. They are large birds. They are bald on head and neck. They have strong hooked beak and broad wings which help them to fly effortlessly. Vulture nest. They build nest on large trees. They put few sticks together to make their nest. Flamingo. It is well known for their vibrant pink color. It has long legs, long, lean, curved neck, black-tipped bills with distinctive downward bend. Flamingo nest. They make nest on the side of water bodies. They make nest with reeds, grass and twigs. Sparrow. They are small birds, usually brown, white and grey in color. They have short tail and small strong beak. Sparrow nest. They make cup-shaped nest on trees using dry grass and twigs. They use materials like feathers, cotton to line the nest. Sometimes they make nest inside the vacant house, top of cupboard or ceiling fence not in use. Crow. They are large birds with shiny black feathers. They are known for their loud voice and intelligence. Crow nest. They use dry leaves, twigs, wires, grass, whatever they get to make the nest. Swan. They are beautiful birds with elongated curved neck and white feathers. They swim gracefully with help of webbed feet and are found on or near water. They are also strong flyers. Swan nest. They make floating nest in ponds or river. They use grass, reeds and dry twigs to make nest. Duck. They can fly in the air, waddle on land and swim in water. They have webbed feet which help them to swim. They have flat and broad beak. Duck nest. They make nest with twigs, reeds and grass. They make nest on dry ground near water. Pigeon. They are grey, white and brown in color. They are stout-bodied birds with short neck and short slender beak. Pigeon nest. They make flimsy platform nest of straw, pine needle, thin tree twigs and leaves put on ledge of building, on windows or vacant house. Cuckoo. It is greyish black in color. It has slender body, long tail and strong legs. It is known for its sweet musical melody. Cuckoo's nest. Cuckoos never build nest. They lay their eggs in nest of other birds such as jungle crow and ravens. Naturally, their young ones are raised by foster parents. We must never trouble birds by touching their nest, eggs or young ones. Children, birds should be free to fly in open sky. Do not imprison birds within a cage. Be sensitive towards these lovely creatures which make the world a lovely place to live.
So my dear children, I hope you enjoyed today's sessions about birds and their hope. I hope you like it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day.